what is epsilon? Now it is the fifth Greek letter. At first, we have to know some of the idea about epsilon and how we can use these signs. At first, if we are starting with the physics, the notation, the symbol or notation of epsilon is like this, and we use in physics for epsilon 0 is the permittivity in vacuum space, or it is said to be electric constant. Now we are discussing using of epsilon in statistics. For statistical purpose, epsilon is the error terms. In regression, now we come it in the mathematical aspect, how to use this epsilon in mathematics. Basically in calculus, we use epsilon in case of the explanation of limit, continuity, differentiation, integration, etc., and its huge applications in total entire analysis terms. We can explain these terms, explain epsilon we use repeatedly. If we are considering an examples, at first we are taking an example of a limit, simple limiting factor, limit as x tends to a, fx equals to a L. What does it mean for actually? We have to discuss. At first, if we considering this, we see that limit fx equals to a L when x tends to a. That means let us consider for what is definitions of fx and L. At first, let us consider a pre-assigned arbitrary small positive number such that mod of fx minus L is less than epsilon. What's happened there? Actually, Here we consider epsilon as a pre-assigned arbitrary pre-assigned small positive number. It is a very small, and half it is better choice of the epsilon is depend on us, and basically it is better for half and less than half, and we choose this epsilon in such a way that mod of fx minus L is less than that. That is difference of the absolute value of fx and the limiting value of L. Sorry, absolute value of difference of the absolute differences between the functional functions and its limiting value is less than half. That means these functions coincide to the limit. That is mod of fx minus L less than epsilon. And correspondingly, similarly, we find there exists a delta. It is also a very small number. Corresponding epsilon, we find delta. It is also small index small positive number that depends on epsilon. Depending on epsilon, such that mod of x minus a is less than delta. Then this compactly say limit x tends to a, and this say fx equals to L. That means limit fx equals to L as x tends to a. This is a complete definitions and how epsilon is used, and this definition is called epsilon delta definition. Of limit. So many other things that can, when we can prove many other things, we must needed this important epsilon. So it has a huge applications, and laterally we know how to apply this epsilon, and frequently we use this sign. Thank you.